Here we've got SONY Xperia 10.3, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select System, and here you will notice date and time. Smoothly click to open, and now you can either use automatic date and time, or you can switch it off just by unmarking the switchers and then set date and time manually by yourself. So from now on, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can do the same thing with the time zone, so just switch it off if you don't want to be provided with the network setup time zone, and then pick the region and time zone if available, and it will be set. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.